Hey Payal, nice to meet you. How are you, Payal?
I am fine. Nice to meet you. How about you?
I am also fine. What are you studying now?
I am studying history honors. And you?
I am studying BSc Nursing in Bangalore. Will you do me a favor, Payal?
Yes, of course. Tell me.
Is there any grocery shop in this market?
Are you new in this market?
Yes, I am new, so I don't know anything.
Okay, there is only one grocery shop in this market. The name of the store is Radha Vallabhi store. I have also want to buy. Let's go together.
Okay, that's good. If you are going with me, it will be good. Okay, let's go.
Okay. What do you want to buy?
I have to buy sugar, flour and purpose from the grocery shop, but I have to buy many things from vegetable shop.
Is there any special in your home?
Yes, there is Lakshmi Puja in my home.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hi Ritik.
Hi.
Do you have sugar in your shop?
Yes, I have good quality sugar in my shop.
Okay, and do you have flour
Yes, I have good flour in my shop.
and purpose?
Yes, it's also.
Okay, how much does it cost?
Your sugar is 40 rupees per kg,
Okay.
and your flour is 30 rupees per kg, and your purpose is 40 rupees per kg.
Okay, you are taking very less amount.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
Okay, pack 2 kg sugar and 2 kg flour and 2 kg purpose.
Okay, that's fine. You will give some minutes.
Okay, hurry up, I have to go vegetable shop.
Your items is ready, madam. Please take it.
Thank you. Okay, how much is it?
Your sugar is 40 plus 40. Your total price is 110 rupees, ma'am.
Okay, here is it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Please come in.
Okay, Payal, I have to go vegetable shop. I am getting late. Bye. Meet you again.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Hey, shopper, do you have turmeric powder and fortune oil?
Yes, I have good quality turmeric powder and fortune oil.
How much is it?
Your fortune oil is 200 rupees per kg, and your turmeric powder is 50 rupees per pack.
Okay, packet.
Yes. You want to buy it?
Yes.
Please give me some. Your item is ready. Please take
Okay.
it.
Okay. Here is it.
Your total price is 50 rupees.
Okay. Okay, give me.
Let's start.
Hey, what's up? How are you doing?
I am doing well, and you?
I am fine. Do you know we are going for a picnic?
Yes, let's go there. So we will go for a picnic, so we have to buy many things. Wait, Jisu, there is a shop. All my friends, let's go there.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Hi Ritik, how are you?
Hi Suman, how are you, my friend?
I am fine, and you?
I am also good. What about you? What are
I'm-
you doing now?
I am studying M.Com for semester.
Okay, good.
Okay, okay Ritik, let me introduce my friend Jisu, and Jisu, my friend Ritik.
Hi, Ritik.
Hello Jisu,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Okay Ritik, I want to buy something from your shop.
Okay. What do you buy?
I needed rice, dal, oil, salt, cheese.
Okay, that's fine.
What is the price of per item?
Your rice is 40 rupees per kg, and your flour is 50 rupees per kg. Your oil is 200 rupees per kg, and your salt is 40 rupees per packet.
Okay. You will pack rice 2 kg and salt 1 packet. Okay, and master oil 1 liter and
Okay. Mustard oil 1 liter. Next,
salt 1 packet.
salt 1 packet. Okay.
And cheese 2 kg.
Oh, sorry, Soben. Yes, it's not available in my shop.
Okay, Ritik, here's what we say in other shop.
Okay, that's a great noise.
Okay, how much total price in item?
Yes. Your rice is 40 rupees per kg. Your salt is, I say your total price.
Yes.
Your total price is 1000 rupees. Okay.
Is there no discount on any item?
Yes. You buy so many items in my shop, so I will give you 20% discount.
Okay, Ritik, thanks for the discount.
Okay. So wait, your items is ready, Showman.
Thank you, Ritik.
Thank you, Showman. Please come
Thank
again.
you, Su. See you one day.
Okay.
Goodbye.